Thanks for stopping by and checking us out. There is a reason why we are rated highly in Orlando by our customers. We do all sort of body works and our customers remain with us for years for the quality service we provide. Please listen to Patricia talking more about our business and services.
Looking for the very best quality automotive repair? Our range of top-grade mechanics have your best interest in mind. Our team of fully qualified professionals have years of experience in offering quality automotive repair and attention to detail and are waiting to deliver the highest quality repairs. We specialize in quality work to the highest standards, but rest assured, we will still quote you the most competitive value rates in the industry. Just ask for a consultation and let us prove our commitment to your satisfaction. We promise that we maintain the highest level of customer care and service. All of our work is carried out to assured standards, and we will complete everything on time. So please, contact us today via any of our contact methods. Our friendly team is waiting to hear from you and to answer any specific questions you may have about our company or our range of high-quality automotive repairs. Solving your automotive needs is our prime concern, so don't hesitate to get in contact with us.